So in today's topic we are going to discuss about the attributes. So basically first of all I will tell you what are the attributes and their function. Here we have attributes you can see on the screen. In first we have the class attribute. The class attribute specifies one or more class names for an element. The class attribute is mostly used to point to a class in a style sheet or no. Second we have title attribute. The information is most often shown as a tooltip text when the mouse moves over the element. The title attribute can be used on any HTML element. At third point we have href attribute, which specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. Then ID attribute is used to point to a specific style declaration in a style sheet. Moving on, next one is src. The src attribute specifies the location URL of the external resource. The alt attribute provides alternative information for an image if a user for some reason cannot view it because of slow connection, an error in the src attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader. And height attribute is used to specify the height of the element, same as width attribute is used to specify the width of the element. Okay, so now let's go little bit practically. First of all I am going to tell you about the class, for what purpose class attribute is used. So as you can see here I am using div syntax, which is used to divide. After using this syntax, which change we will create will only affect the last paragraph. So first of all you can see here my web page, so when I will create changes it will be change. After using this we will use the class attribute and give the name as I am giving first. So now if we create any change in class with name of first it will affect that whole paragraph, but for doing that we have to add the style syntax in head or between this type body, so changes will create in body. Now after pressing dot give the name of a class if you wanna create change with properties. So after doing this, by moving to next line we will use these brackets and type property which we wanna change. Like firstly I am selecting color and chaining it to the red and save it. So here you can see the change. After changing the color, now we'll change the background color. Go back to Visual Studio Code and move to next line by pressing enter. After color, here we select the background color. We will select it as aqua and save it. Now refresh our web page. So here you can see we got the background color behind the selected text. Okay, now I will tell you about the title attribute. As here you can see the browser down here, any change I will create in coding you will see here. So as I am writing title of this paragraph using title syntax, I am giving it the title name. This is my awesome paragraph. So when we refresh our browser here we can see the change. When we place cursor on the paragraph text here you can see the title. So that's the function of title attribute. Now I am going to tell you about the href attribute, and this is very useful attribute. So for using this attribute you will use letter A here. This is the syntax of href attribute. Anything you wordty between the colon or link you wanna give between the colon will address of that page or image, and anything we write here will be the given name as I am giving it. Click here, or we will go to any folder or select any page, file or image which we wanna address. As I am selecting this, so right click on it, go to security, and here you can see here's the address. We copy this and paste it here or save it now. So here on web page, after refresh, here is the link. When we click it here you can see the link is created. Now I am going to tell you about the width or height attributes. So they are so simple to use. Just open Visual Studio Code. Like here you can see we have attribute of picture width or height. So this is the before size, where create change from 5 to 7 and 5 to 6 after going to web page. So here you can see the change in size. So this is all I wanna tell you about the attributes, or I made videos separately on single attributes, so you can visit my channel to see videos related to attributes or remoing. Attributes separate.